It's your friendly math tutor, Miss C, here to simplify expressions that include negative exponents. So here's the big idea. To take a negative exponent away or to change it to its positive form, we actually have to change the location of that expression within the fraction. So in this first example, we have 1 divided by a to the negative 3. To make this a positive exponent, we have to move that entire a to the negative 3 to the numerator. So its equivalent positive form is a to the positive 3. Because there's nothing written in the denominator, there's a 1 there. So we've moved this from the denominator to the numerator. Now, when I taught math, a lot of students said we flip these upside down. That works on examples like this. It doesn't work on everything. So I think the best way to think is about you're shifting the location of where that expression is within your fraction. All right, in this example, we have c to the negative 9 divided by w to the fifth. These two terms cannot be combined because the bases are different, but I need to get c so that it has a positive exponent. It's currently in the numerator. That means I need to shift this to the denominator, and that negative 9 becomes a positive 9. So when I do that, I'm left with a 1 in the numerator because the c is shifting down to the denominator. The w still stays there. It just doesn't change. And then the c moves down. So we have 1 divided by w to the fifth times c to the ninth. Also correct is this, c to the ninth, w to the fifth. Those are the equivalence forms. All right, next example, we have 5 to the power of 12 divided by 7 to the power of negative 10. Same idea, different bases, so we can't combine these two expressions. All right, so we can't combine these two. So what I need to do is to get this negative 10 to be positive, I'm shifting this whole piece to the numerator. So when I do that, I end up with 5 to the 12th times 7 to the 10th. All right, or the same thing, you can write like this, and it's an equivalent form. All right, and last but not least, I need to do a little erasing here. We have w to the power of negative 7. This is currently in the numerator, so I'm going to write a 1, and I am going to drop this w to the negative 7 to the denominator, and when I do that, the 7 becomes positive. So if you look at the examples that are purple and then the light green, if we had flipped these upside down, we would have ended up with the w and the 5 in the wrong location. So that's why when we think about this, we're thinking about shifting location in the fraction, not flipping the fraction around. So that is how you change negative exponents to positive exponents and keep them equivalent. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Make sure to subscribe for more math content. Till next time, remember, you've got this.